guys, I'm gonna be rating my fidgets. Okay, so first let's start off with my big poppet. Well, this is not the loud side. I would rate this a 8 out of 10. Next is my ABC poppet. I love it so much, and when you push down on it, it has a very nice texture. So I rate it about a 9.5 out of 10. Next is my slime. It's not only fidget, but I call it one, and I rate it a 7.9 out of 10. Here is my wacky track. I rate this a 6 out of 10. Let me know what you guys rate this. Next is my water timer. It's very satisfying and it's very colorful. I rate this it's really calming, so I 10 out of 10. Next is my mini poppet. I've never had a mini poppet before, and this is my first mini poppet, so I would rate this a 5 out of 10. Okay, I have a lot of poppets. So here's my SpongeBob poppet. I rate this it's really cute, but it's little. So I rate this about a 4.9 out of 10. Here are my magnet rings, and I rate these a 10 out of 10. Okay, so now here's my big pop tube. I rate this about, I don't really know what I rate this. I think I rate it about a 9 out of 10. Okay, here is my mini monkey noodle. It's really tiny. It's easy to sneak around. So I rate it about a 8.4 out of 10. Next is my purple snapper. It's really smoothing and it's really fun to play with. So I rate it a 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is like a fidget. It's a flip little keychain, football keychain. I rate this about 4 out of 10. Next is my heart poppet. You can flip it over and it's different colors. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Here, last but not least, is my fidget pad. I rate this about a 1,000 out of 10. Bye, guys!